Peace, love, and the highest light to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. It's yours truly, the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'm back with another video to discuss our next topic, which is the energy and life path number 8. So I'm not going to keep you very long today because I want to get right into things. And sometimes you're going to see me, like today I'm on the big screen. Sometimes you're going to see me minimized, and that's due to techie issues or whatever. So today seems to be a good day for me. Technology seems to be loving on me. So I'm going to oblige by working with what I have. Okay. So what I'm going to do is again share my screen so that I can get right into today's presentation. All right, I hope that looks good on your end. All right, it's looking good so far. So, okay, let's get started. If you happen to be a life path number 8, you were born to be a boss, okay? You love to be in charge, whether you hold an authoritative position or not. If you're not careful, though, you can easily abuse your position of power by being corrupt. Also, you can be a bit of a big spender at times, and you can be quite successful if you are balanced with money. Therefore, it's imperative that you operate with integrity. You do very well to understand that all rewards are not monetary, and that recognition comes in varying forms. And another key thing to know is that many eights experience multiple failures and fortunes in a lifetime. So when it comes to love and affection, they can be very difficult for you to show. Also, other areas that could use some fine tuning are learning to resist being overly opinionated and controlling. Further, you usually have a lot of in and out friendships and relationships too. And if you happen to be a low vibrational person, you find it hard to be loyal and keep secrets. And if you come off, you can, to others, you could come off as being a hypocrite. And you can be quite egotistical as well as arrogant and selfish. So if provoked, your anger can become very explosive, but just as quickly as it arises, it can blow over as well. And the best solution is to learn to be accountable for your actions, apologize, and don't be afraid to evolve. So if you're an 8, chances are you don't stay too long in one place of employment. However, on the flip side of things, you are a beast when it comes to affairs in the business world. And you seem to have the Midas touch because you excel in just about everything related to finances, real estate, including journalism. And other areas you happen to be strong in are organization, coaching, supervising, and directing. And the things that serve as motivations to you are money, power, as well as recognition. And in regards to health, 8s seem to struggle a lot with high blood pressure issues and cardiac arrest. I'm sorry, cardiac issues. Well, it can lead to cardiac arrest if you're not careful in your daily day-to-day activities in the form of diet or exercise. Now, for the fun facts, as we analyze the shape of the number 8, we can see it's made up of two conjoined circles that represents the spiritual and material worlds. And it's imperative that you balance out these two things. If not, you will never find true satisfaction. So, your life lessons for this cycle will be to learn how to find balance within yourself and also balancing the material and spiritual, including the ego, human mind, and the inner voice of the soul. Now, let's take a look at the celebrities who are also number eights. Okay, so we have Jane Fonda, Cindy Crawford, and the incomparable late great queen of soul, Aretha Franklin. So that's all I have for my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family today. And if you happen to like or love the content that I've been sharing on this channel, please feel free to hit that like button and leave a positive comment if you wish. And don't shy away from clicking that subscribe button because, as I always say, that's a way to show love. And which I am truly appreciative of. And with that being said, you can be sure I'll be back with another video. Well, we'll tackle the next life path number, which is 9. But until then, I'm going to peace out and leave you with love and light. Later, family. And I shake.